I swear this bird remembers me from her nest days when I was recording. Like, I just walked by her. She was literally 1 foot away from, not even a foot. What am I saying? Like, literally 1 foot, my foot. Not a whole foot away. And she didn't run. And I think it's a girl because of her colorings. But look how close she is. Like, she's just not scared of me. She's so young, you could tell. Now I'm kind of a distance away, but not really. Just because I want to get a nice shot of her, like a nice aerial shot. Look at her, she's so cute. I love her.